Get ready for the dictation in 3, 2, 1, start. The contemporary term transgender arose in the mid 1990s from the grassroots community of gender different people. In contemporary usage, transgender has become an umbrella term that is used to describe a wide range of identities and experiences, including but not limited to transsexual people, male and female cross dressers, sometimes referred to as transvestites, drag queens, or drag kings, intersexed individuals, and men and women, regardless of sexual orientation, whose appearance or characteristics are perceived to be gender atypical. Stop. In its broadest sense, transgender encompasses anyone whose identity or behavior falls outside of stereotype gender norms. Stop para. Honorable Supreme Court, in the case of National Legal Services Authority, SUPRA, has held that a candidate should be left free to choose his gender with which he/she identifies himself herself. Stop. As such, if a person has been claiming himself herself to be belonging to a particular gender, the respondents are bound to accept the same until and unless such candidate seeks to take advantage of a particular gender. Stop. If a candidate's external characteristics and behavioral pattern is in conformity with the declaration and the nature of job does not require him to be of a specific gender, sex determination of a candidate cannot be resorted to. Stop para. If a candidate states his/her gender, his credentials and physical parameters are to be considered in accordance with his/her claim, of course, in consonance with his other credentials or documents, the same has to be accepted, albeit being mindful of the external characteristics and behavior. Stop. Gender determination can be done only if the nature of work so requires, such as female constable, auxiliary nurse, midwifery, etc., and there is apparent inconsistency in his declaration claim. Stop para. In the present case, the petitioner has applied for the post of constable as a female candidate. She has cleared the physical standard test on the parameters fixed for a female candidate. Stop. In such situation, as the documents are in tune with her gender declaration and no doubt has been expressed about her external characteristics and gender behavior, petitioner's candidature ought to have been considered as female while giving appointment, and there should be no impediment in offering appointment to her. Stop. The posts advertised were gender neutral or non-specific. Therefore, the petitioner was entitled for appointment as a constable. Stop. Sex of a person may have some relevance while providing posting at a sensitive place which requires a person of a specific gender. Looking to the nature of the duties he/she is required to discharge. Stop para. In view of above, it is held that the sex determination of the petitioner, which she had to undergo in a bid to get an employment was arbitrary and violative of right of privacy guaranteed by Article 21 of the Constitution of India. Stop. Sex determination can be ordered only if a candidate's general behavior, external characteristics, or society's perception about such candidate is contrary to the declaration he/she has made. Stop para. A copy of this order be sent to the Chief Secretary of the State of Rajasthan to be circulated to Rajasthan Public Service Commission, Rajasthan Subordinate Ministerial Staff Selection Board, and all other departments so that in all recruitment applications forms issued henceforth in place of term sex, the term gender be used, while in Hindi version of the form in place of term be used. Stop para. The judgment dated 28/8/2006 passed by the High Court of Judicature of Rajasthan at Jodhpur in civil second appeal number 97 of 1984 and the concurrent judgment dated 10/10/2006 in civil review petition number 18 of 2006 dismissing the same are called in question in this appeal by the unsuccessful defendants. Stop. Thank you.